Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, welcome to science class. In previous class, we discussed about equation of motion by graphical method, right? So, I told you that there are three type of equation of motions. First is v equals to u plus at. Another is s equals to ut plus half at square, and third is v square minus u square equals to 2as. So here we are going to derive the three equations with the help of a graph, right? It is a velocity time graph, and where an object is moving with a uniform acceleration. Suppose an object starts from any other point rather than origin. So the initial velocity, the starting velocity we take here u, and it goes to final velocity at a point B. The final velocity is denoted by v, right? So in previous class, first we discussed derived the equation number 1. Here I am revising that here OA is the initial velocity and OA is equals to CD, and that is equals to u. Now OE is the final velocity. Final velocity is denoted by v, which is equals to BC. So OE equals to BC equals to v, right? And time is OC here. OC is equals to AD equals to T. So we write here the three relations, and starting from final velocity, the final velocity is BC, and BC is equals to BD plus DC, right? So BC is V, we write here B, V equals to BD plus U. BD comes V minus U. It is the, we write here equation number 1. And we know that acceleration is equals to change in velocity upon time taken, right? And in graph, change in velocity is BD, V minus U, right? V minus U. So acceleration is BD upon time, change in velocity upon time. So from here BD comes, BD equals to AT, right? So from from equation number 1 and 2, BD equals to V minus U and BD equals to AT. So they are equal. So here come V equals to U plus AT. That is the first equation of motion, right? Now another equation, that is S equals to UT plus half AT square. Now we derive it. So here, when you start any derivation, you just write all the terms. Let an object travel the distance, that is S, in time interval t under a uniform accelerated speed, or having a uniform acceleration, that is A. So I told you that to calculate speed or distance, we have to calculate the area, right? Area under the curve. So here again, what is the area under the curve? Here from A to B, it is a area, that is OABC, right? And we can divide it into a triangle or a rectangle. So here area of OABC is equals to area of rectangle plus area of triangle, right? And rectangle is AODC and triangle is ABD. So area of rectangle is length into breadth, that is OA into OC, and triangle is half base into height. You can see in the graph, when we are talking about rectangle, OADC. Area is OA into OC, or you can write OA into AD. So OA is U and OC is T, right? So area comes U into T. Now if we are talking about a triangle, half base that is AD here, and AD is equals to T, right? And height is BD. BD comes 80 as we have calculated in previous derivation, that BD is equals to 80, right? So we write all the terms here, U into T plus half T into BD is 80. So it comes S, that is the distance is denoted by S equals to UT plus half AT square, right? So this is the second equation of motion we derived here. Now we